Acid rain refers to any precipitation, whether it's rain, snow, or hail, where the concentration of hydrogen ions increases, making it more acidic than normal. This low pH level is what we call acid rain. The main cause is the formation of sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen in the atmosphere. These compounds react with water vapor to form sulfuric and nitric acids. The effects of acid rain are varied and can affect both natural and man-made ecosystems. Here are some of the major impacts. 1. Environmental impacts. Soil degradation, nutrient emissions. Acid rain can cause the leaching of essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium from the soil, making it less productive and affecting plant growth. Toxic metal mobilization. Increased acidity can leach toxic metals such as aluminum out of soil, which can harm plants and aquatic life. Water organisms. Water acidification. Acid rain lowers the pH of water bodies, which can be detrimental to aquatic life, especially fish and amphibians. Many species cannot survive in low pH conditions. Food chain disruption. The decline of certain species can affect the entire aquatic food chain, affecting birds and mammals that rely on these aquatic organisms for food. Forest destruction. Direct leaf damage. Acid rain can directly damage the leaves and needles of trees, reducing their ability to photosynthesize. Tree weakness. It can weaken trees by eroding vital nutrients from the soil, making them more susceptible to disease, harsh weather, and pests. Human health effects are significant when it comes to acid rain. Respiratory issues are a major concern. Acid rain pollutants, especially sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, can cause respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis. Furthermore, contaminated drinking water is another serious issue. Acidic water can leach metals from pipes and soil, resulting in contaminated drinking water that can pose health hazards. Structural damage is another critical impact of acid rain. Building erosion is a notable consequence. Acid rain accelerates the deterioration of buildings and monuments, especially those made of limestone, marble, and concrete. It reacts with calcium compounds to form gypsum, which is insoluble in water and washes away. Additionally, infrastructure corrosion is a serious problem. Acid rain can corrode metal structures such as bridges, railroad tracks, and vehicles, leading to increased maintenance costs and safety hazards. All right, let's talk about the agricultural impact of acid rain. Acid rain can damage crops directly by affecting their foliage and indirectly by changing soil chemistry, causing agricultural productivity to decrease. Acidic soils can interfere with the absorption of nutrients by plants, affecting their growth and yield. Moving on to the economic impact. The need for frequent maintenance and replacement of infrastructure and buildings increases costs for individuals and the government. Economic impacts on the fishing, forestry, and tourism industries may be greater due to the loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services. Now, let's discuss the visibility impact. Acid rain pollution can also contribute to smog formation, which reduces visibility and can affect health, especially in the cities. Finally, let's talk about mitigation and control. Strict regulation of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from power plants, industrial equipment, and vehicles is essential. Using renewable energy and energy efficiency to reduce reliance on fossil fuels is another important step. Adding lime to acidic lakes and soils can help neutralize the acidity, although this is a temporary solution. Addressing acid rain requires a combination of policies, technological advances, and public awareness to mitigate its effects and prevent further environmental and economic damage.